Hello, madam. I am Kavindra Gunawardana. Under computer-based tools for the management applications course module, I have created an inventory management system for the Beast.lk. First of all, let me give you a brief introduction about what is Beast.lk. Actually, Beast.lk is a buying and selling business that is operated through the social media such as Facebook and Instagram, and founded by the Hasita Nalake and by myself back in the COVID-19 pandemic period. So mainly we act as an intermediary between the wholesalers and the buyers. Also, we buy bulk stock from the wholesalers and sell them to the buyers at a retail price as well. So, in order to provide a better service to our customers, it is important us to maintain an inventory management system for the Beast LK. So, based on that reason, I have decided to build an application to the inventory management system of the Beast.lk by the knowledge that I have grabbed from the computer-based tools for the management applications course module. Let's move to the product demonstration. This is my project file. When I click on this project file, this login is popping up. Admin is the both username and password to the system. If I enter a wrong password in here and then click login button, then this error message will be displayed to the user. After I successfully add the correct details to the system and then click on the login button, then this dashboard will be displayed to the user. By those labels, I am indicating the current values of the system. Those are the profit, then purchases, then sales and stock values in the rupees term, and also the stock quantity in the unit terms. By this frame, I am indicating the available stock details according to the product ID and the available stocks according to the unit terms to the user. Those are the four buttons that user can use to add inputs to the system. Those are transaction, product manager, categories, and suppliers. Let's click on this category button. Now you can see there are three categories already existing in the system. If you want to update already existing unit, you have to click on it and then you can enter the details and then click on the update button. Now you can see the category has been successfully updated. If you want to add a new category to the system, you have to just type those details in this text box and then you have to click on the add button. Now you can see new category has been successfully added to the system. Let's move to the suppliers button. Now you can see one supplier is already existing. If you want to update his details like the previous one, you just have to click on this and you have to update the details. Let's update one. Now you can see those details has been successfully added to the system. If you want to add a new supplier to the system like previous one, you have to add the details to the system. By these drop downs, this drop down shows the all the categories that are currently existing in the system. Now you can see a new supplier has been successfully added to the system. Let's move to the product manager. This is the product manager window. This is the product manager window that can be used by the user to add new product details to the system and also to update the currently existing details in the system. You can see those are the currently existing products in the system. If you want to add a new product to the system, you have to just fill those details in the system. Also you can add the image of the product as well. You can see the product has been successfully added to the system. If you close this window, and in here this available stock frame, you can see a new product has been added to the system, and the available stock unit of that is the 0, because we don't we just add it to the system and we don't purchase it. We don't enter the purchasers details or the sellers details to the system. uh, Now click on the transaction button. This is the transaction button. You can see there are also two buttons that indicate in the sales and purchases values. In purchases values, you can see the purchases details of the system. Now let's add the uh, new purchase details to the system. You can also choose a date from here as well. Then click on the add button. If you close this window, you can now see the product ID details has been updated successfully according to the added details in the purchases one. And also let's add a new sale to the system. You can see the existing sales in here as well. You can see the rate in here. You can choose a date from here. Then you have to enter the quantity of the sale. I'm entering 500, and let's click on the add button. Now you can see date is displaying here, then category product ID is displaying here, and also the quantity, and also the selling price, and the total amount of sellers, and the profit also displaying in here as well. And also when I close this, you can see by this frame, this is successfully added to successfully updated in the system, and also profit has been updated, then purchases value has been updated, also says sales values have been updated, and stock quantity has been updated, and the stock value has been updated. So this is the dashboard and the inventory management system for the Bistro LK. And here is come to the end of my product demonstration, and thank you.